Shivoham and good evening. Welcome to the call. Hitkariji, Shivoham and Namaskar. Sudeep Bhargava, Ashok Chotwani. Good evening and welcome. Lakshmi, Ajitik, Gautam, Chandresh, Shivoham, Komal, Girish and Amma, Shikha, Kavita, Shivoham. Welcome to the call. And the rest of you I cannot see. So today we are on a very interesting call. And the message is that this call is only a call on Friday. There is no Saturday call. And therefore, we will try to finish the entire subject today in the one day that we have. Normally we have 2 days. Now we have 1 day. The subject of today's call, Ye Sach Ya Wo Sach. For those who are not so familiar with Hindi, Ye Sach, is this the truth? Ya Wo Sach. Ye Sach Ya Wo Sach. What is the truth? This is the subject that we are going to contemplate today. What is the truth? The purpose of every Zoom call is one. The purpose of Zoom call is an enlightenment call. The call is meant to help to switch on the spiritual light. And how do we do that in today's call? It's this, that when we realize what is not the truth, then we realize the truth. That is the way spirituality is realized. Sometimes we call it neti neti tattvamasi. Neti neti means what I am not. Not this, na iti, not this, not this body, not this mind. Tattvamasi. Thou art that. Main ye nahi, main wo hu. So today we are discussing कि अगर सच क्या है, अगर सच ये नहीं तो फिर सच वो होगा. That is the way spirituality. For example, with Newton was sitting in a park and hundreds of people were sitting in a park and apple fell on their head. When apple fell on their head, everybody said, ouch, ouch, ouch. लेकिन न्यूटन ने कहा अगर एप्पल ऊपर नहीं उड़ रहा है तो इसका मतलब है कि there is a power to pull the apple down. So that is called inference. We have to realize by inference. And inference is all about when we realize what is not, then we realize what is. Right? So that is the discussion today. Thing comes from Raja Janak. Raja Janak is the father of Sita, of Ram's wife, Lord Rama. So Raja Janak is supposed to have got stuck. जैसे वो पुराने दिन में रिकॉर्ड प्लेयर ग्रामोफोन होता था ना, वो ग्रामोफोन में अटक जाता था. आजा आजा आजा. Gramophone gets stuck. So Raja Janak got stuck. What he got stuck? ये सच या वो सच. कोई भी राजा जनक के पास जाता था तो राजा जनक एक ही सवाल पूछता था, ये सच या वो सच. अरे क्या सच, क्या ये सच वो सच. Actually क्या हुआ? One day Raja Janak, he woke up from his sleep and he started crying. Oh, मर जाऊंगा मैं, मर जाऊंगा, I'll die, I'll die, I'll die. So Raja Janak, when he got up, the Rani came and asked him, Maharaj, क्या हुआ? क्या आप आराम है ना, सब ठीक है ना? The Rani already knew that he has woken up from a dream. But Raja Janak said, nahi, the enemies, they caught me and the enemies took me and tied me, they stripped my king's clothes, put on beggar's clothes, and they sent me without food and water in the jungles. And then I was going to die. He gives the story. And as he gives the story, the queen told him, Maharaj, आपने कुछ बुरा सपना देखा है. You've seen a bad dream. वो सच नहीं है. But Raja Janak was a ज्ञानी. जो राजा जनक है वो एक ज्ञानी था. तो उसने क्या कहा? उस राजा जनक said, what is such? Am I a king who had a dream that I was a beggar, or am I a beggar who's dreaming that I am a king? सच क्या है? Suppose सच ये है कि ये जो राजा मैं, what dream I'm having, suppose in reality I am a beggar, and the beggar is dreaming I am a king. Is that the reality? The Maharani said, क्या बात करते हैं आप? What are you thinking? You are here, you are a king, na? See, you're in the palace. See, can you see? You're a palace. Raja Nanda said, no, nothing of this sort. Ye sach ya wo sach. Ye sach ya wo sach. Everything in the kingdom came to a halt. Kyun? Because Raja Jana kept asking the question, ye sach ya wo sach. When the ministers came, yes, is this the truth or that the truth? And Raja Janak will tell the story. He will ask everybody the question, am I the king dreaming that I was a beggar? Or am I a beggar dreaming I am a king? After many weeks, lot of days, maybe weeks, I think months passed, a Muni by name Ashtavakra came, and Ashtavakra met the Raja Janak. Ashtavakra has got very famous. In fact, there's an Ashtavakra Gita. If you want to read, those who are spiritual, Chandrash padha hai, Ashtavakra Gita padha hai. So there's a very good thing to read. Sudeep, have you read Sudeep? Ashtavakra, it's a very good Gita. It's another Gita, Ashtavakra Gita. So the point in that is, he says, hey Rajan, na ye sach, na wo sach. He says, Rajan, na ye sach, na wo sach. What does it mean? Hey Rajan, neither are you the king, dreaming that you're a beggar, nor are you a beggar, dreaming that you're the king. Then Raja could not understand. Then he said, you are the chit, you are the consciousness, you are the one who's experiencing. You are the one experiencing the state of wakefulness and the state of dreaming. So like Raja Janak, there are many people who don't understand this. Many people don't understand. See, let me tell you one thing. You know why you come on this Zoom call? You come on this Zoom call week after week after week, because you are spiritual seekers. You are jigyasus. A jigyasu is one who wants to realize the truth. A jigyasu wants realization, liberation, moksha, nirvana. But everybody doesn't want nirvana. Other people, one glass of beer is good. But no, for a jigyasu, no, I don't want the temporary pleasure. I want that bliss, that ananda. So when you want that ananda, you come on the Zoom call because you want to realize the truth. What is the truth? And week after week, you're joining on the Zoom call to understand what is enlightenment. Enlightenment means that you switch on the light inside and you realize the truth inside. So my dear friends, what is this all about? Ye sach ya wo sach. Just like that in the Chennai railway station. In the Chennai railway station, there was a station master. Station master also was like Raja Janak. Same category. So he used to ask, ye kya hai? He used to hear about so many things about states of consciousness. Then one Swami used to come in the railway station. So he asked the Swami, Swami, can you please explain to me who am I in reality? Sach kya hai? What is the truth? Then the Swami asked him, what do you do every day? He said, every day, in the morning to night, there are many trains. Like for example, morning there's a City Express. I flag the train. I show the flag. Then the train goes. Then I manage the train. In the afternoon, there's a super fast Shatabdi Express. So he says, I keep on flagging the train. Morning, City Express, afternoon, Shatabdi. And the night, there's a mail. Other small trains. So the Swami asks the station master, okay, which train are you? Which train are you? The City Express? Are you Shatabdi? Or are you night mail? So the station master said, what a funny question. I am not the train, no, I am the station master. He said, what's the difference between station master and the train? Then the station master was a jigyasu. He said, I am the observer of the three trains. I observe the train comes and the train goes. So that is what the Swami told the station master. You are the consciousness. You are the one who's observing. When you wake up, you observe. When you dream, you observe the waker, you observe the dreamer. We human beings don't understand this. The problem is, from the time we are born, we just follow the herd. Whatever we are taught, we just believe that and we continue to live with that. We don't ask questions. We don't investigate. However, we just grow up. If everybody is following, if everybody is saying, we also say, we also mumble. Once upon a time, there was a farmer near the jungle. He had a small farmhouse. One day he found at the edge of the jungle a small baby tiger. It was a just born baby tiger. Then he realized that the mother must have died. This baby tiger was roaming without anything to eat and drink. So the farmer took this baby tiger and brought it inside. The people got scared. What is this? He said, that's a small baby tiger. What is that? Nothing to worry. Let us see what happens. It's a very small baby tiger. We'll make it grow up with us. The baby tiger grew up with all the sheep. The farmer had many sheep. So whatever the sheep used to do, the tiger also used to do. Whatever the sheep used to eat, the tiger also used to eat. The baby cub, the little cub used to eat. Until one day, that baby cub, that small baby tiger, grew up like the sheep. They all used to play together. They thought they were brothers and sisters like that. One day, as they were playing in the edge of the forest, a big tiger came. A big tiger came and he saw, Arey, what is this? What is this? That a tiger is playing with the sheep. What is this? So the tiger, he picked that baby tiger and he took it and went in the jungle. And then that baby tiger was innocent, didn't know what. Then the tiger took it to the small little lake. There was a lake and the tiger took this baby tiger, and the tiger, he looked in the reflection of the lake and the tiger did. And then the baby tiger saw in the reflection that he is different looking. The baby tiger thought he was a sheep because he grew up with the sheep. So all this time he didn't see his own reflection. The tiger took him and showed the reflection. Arey, aap ye nahi hai. Kya? Aap sheep nahi hai. Aap tiger hai. So then the tiger, the baby tiger, then didn't go back, right? He became the tiger. So hum sab aisa hai. Hum sab samajhte hain hum sharir hai. We think we are the body. We think we are the mind. Why we think we are the body and mind? Because from the time we grow up, everybody says, what everybody says, hello, I am Sunil. I am Sunil. You are not Sunil. You say, I am Prabhakar. No, you are not Prabhakar. Your name is Prabhakar. The problem is you say, I am Kavita. No, you are not Kavita. Your name is Kavita. But nobody told you that your name is Kavita. You are the Atma in Kavita. Ye sach ya wo sach. You just cannot say, Kaun hai? Krishna Sarma. No, Krishna Sarma is my name. I am not Krishna Sarma. So everybody, for example, Amitabh Bachchan is acting in a movie. In the movie, his name is Viru. So somebody asks him outside the movie, what's your name? He will say, my name is Viru. No, Viru is just a role. So we have to understand the truth. And friends, today, this is not just spirituality. Today, even science, even science agrees. Science has realized that if you take a human being cell, you take a skin, and if you take a small cell from the skin, and you put it under the microscope, take the smallest particle, not atoms or molecules, but smaller, electron, neutron, proton, photon. You take the smallest particle, it's called quark. What's it called? Quark, Q-U-A-R-K, quark. And when they were studying the particle of quark, what they realized? That small particle of matter, it disappeared. That small particle of matter, it became energy. And then they realized there was a law of thermodynamics. Have you heard the law of thermodynamics? What are the law states, Sanjay Das, Energy can neither be created or destroyed, but can only be transformed from one form to another. In school, we learned. In school, we all learned this, that energy cannot be created and cannot be destroyed. Energy can only be transformed from one form to another. And this is what the scientist has coined in a new discovery called the wave-particle duality. What is the meaning of a wave-particle duality? It means that a particle can become a wave and a wave can become a particle. That means what the science believe now, that matter is nothing but energy and energy is nothing but matter. So when you go and talk to a scientist, he knows it may look like Hitkari, but actually it's not Hitkari. Mr. Hitkari is made up of 30 trillion cells. Each cell is nothing but energy. This is not spirituality. My friends, this is science. This is quantum physics. This is the new science, the modern day science. But we human beings, we don't understand. Let me ask you something that you understand. Ajitek, आप कभी कभी सोते हैं? सोते हैं ना? When you sleep, you dream. ख्वाब आता है नहीं आता है, ख्वाब आता है. But कभी कभी, sometimes you don't dream. You sleep without a dream, peacefully. ऐसे भी होता है कभी कभी? No dream. When we wake up, we say what? Oh, I slept like a log. क्या नींद आया यार. Oh, सुबह है या we feel or we don't feel? कभी कभी. हाँ. किसको मालूम है? We slept like a log, na? We slept. किसको मालूम है? Who knows I slept like a log? That is what we have to find. We are that consciousness. Suppose Mahesh Ratnani, he is in Jakarta. Mahesh, suppose I am with you in your house, Mahesh. And suppose you're sleeping, you're fast asleep. If I wake you, Mahesh, will you wake up or you will not wake up? You will wake up. But suppose you are in Jakarta and in Bangalore, I say, Mahesh, will you wake up? No, because the consciousness is not here. The consciousness is in Jakarta. So what we must understand is that we are not the one who is awake. We are not the one who is dreaming. We are not the one who is sleeping. We are the divine consciousness. We have to realize this. Ye sach ya wo sach. Today's talk is that. Today's talk is you're watching a dream. Is the dream real? Suppose Veena Karate. Suppose I come in the night in your dream and I take 10 lakh rupees in your dream. In the morning when you wake up, you will come to me and say, please give back 10 lakhs. Will you come and tell me? I will ask you, why should I give 10 lakhs? You told yesterday you came and took 10 lakhs. Na. I say, when I came? In my dream you came. Na. Then I said, tonight you dream and you take back in your dream only. Don't ask me now. You take it back also in your dream. So the waking state is different and the dream state is different. We are not the waker. We are not the dreamer. We are not even the one who has got deep sleep. We are the fourth. We are the one who experiences these. And to realize this truth, you must go on a quest. You must go on a talash. Then only you will realize. What is the realization of this truth? This is called Chaturyam. Chaturyam is now made into a short form. It's called Turyam. Turyam means what? Turyam or Chaturyam means the fourth. I am not the first. First is what? I am not the waker. Second is what? I am not the dreamer. Third is what? I am not even the sleeper. If I am not the waker, if I am not the dreamer, if I am not the sleeper, but I am, who am I? Nan yar, ko hum. This is the question that we have to ask. This is the question. Ye sach ya wo sach. This is called talash. This is called realization. This is called enlightenment. So we have to stop. My dear friends, we have to stop. From the time we are born, we are taught something. Ashok and Hema, we are taught. What we are taught? If you go to Rameshwaram and you do 22 dubkis, means all your sins will be washed away. So what do? Every month we go. One day we go Rameshwar, one day we go Haridwar, one day we go Rishikesh, one day we go Brindavan. Kya hoga Ashok? Paap माफ हो जाएंगे सभी पाप if you go to all these places? No, this is wrong. This is not satya, this is mithya. You have to ask the question, satya kya hai? What is the reality? Ask, investigate, realize the truth. If you don't, you will live and you will die and you will be reborn. And the cycle will continue. Chakkar will continue. Chakki piecing and piecing and piecing. That's what they say in the movie. We will come back and we will continue living in this world. Of course, it's like a merry-go-round. We will have happiness and sadness. But if you want a state of bliss, if you want a state of nirvana, if you want a state of ananda, then you must have realization of the truth. You have to ask, you have to investigate, you have to realize the truth. That is the challenge. Have you ever stopped to ask, you're doing puja to a murti? Huh? Why should I do murti puja? Does God live in the murti? You do puja to the murti, you put agarbatti. Have you stopped to ask the question, why am I switching on, lighting agarbatti? You do the puja for your father, grandfather, great-grandfather who died. Have you asked the question, what is the meaning of this puja? We have to stop and we have to ask the question. What's the question? What Raja Janak asked. Ye sach ya wo sach. Such means truth. What is the truth? This is the truth or that is the truth. But we don't ask. Somebody tells us, what somebody tells us, that say this mantra, oh asato ma satgamaya. We don't understand the meaning. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mityor ma tamritam gamaya, shanti shanti. मतलब क्या है उसका? ओम असतो मा सतगमया, असत्य से मुझे सत्य पे लाओ. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, तमस से मुझे ज्योति, अंधकार से ज्योति में जगाओ. मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमया, take me from death to immortality. Understand such kya hai. Don't just keep on nodding your head. You know, in China nowadays, China import is not available. When I was having a toy shop, the best-selling toy, पता है क्या है? अशोक चोटवानी, पता है best-selling toy क्या था? We used to call that toy nodding dog. Nodding dog मतलब वो toy head, it had a spring, and if you hit the head like that, it will go. देखा है वो nodding dog? Chandresh, have you seen nodding dog? उसको मारा तो we are like nodding dog. Nodding dog मतलब जो भी बोलेगा लोग, हाँ सर, मान लिया. What somebody tells you, somebody is walking in the road. Somebody is walking in the road, they find a tree. In the tree, they put some 10 agarbattis, and they put some patta, and they put nama, and they put red tilak, and they have an arti, and they are saying, Vriksha Puja, Jai Vriksha Puja, Vriksha Puja, Jai Vriksha Puja. There's a line of 20 people behind that man. All 20 are waiting to do Vriksha Puja ki arti. Kya hai ye arti? Kya Vriksha Puja? So we have to stop and we have to realize the truth. As long as we don't realize the truth, we will be in the myth. And the problem is, if we don't realize the truth, we will continue to suffer. So today you can ask me any questions on what is the truth, what is the myth. If you are enlightened, you are free from all misery. You are free from pain of the body, misery of the mind, agony of the ego. You know Ramakrishna Paramahansa, the guru of Swami Vivekananda, he had cancer. I think he had cancer of the throat, I think. And it was such a big, deep cancer. But जब भी वो cancer का दर्द आता था, he used to laugh. He used to laugh. Why he used to laugh? He said, "ये साला पकड़ लिया मुझको." Means he said that cancer ने पकड़. He used to treat the cancer not as his body. He didn't believe that the cancer was something he was suffering from. He believed that the cancer was there in his body. That is what he believed. So, my dear friends, we have to stop. We have to ask questions. Actually what we are? We are consciousness. The reality is we are consciousness. We are chitta. Chitta. I recently saw a very interesting dialogue from a Swamiji. You know what he says? He says, somebody asked him, what's the meaning of this Turiyam? Huh? Please pay attention what he said. He said, सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है. What he said? सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है. What's the meaning? सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है means ये जग है तो हम जग को देख सकते हैं. समझ में आया ना? सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है. अगर सृष्टि नहीं है तो सपोज जग नहीं था, सपोज दिस वर्ल्ड वाज नॉट देयर, देन वी कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग. सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है means if the world is there I can see it. So somebody asked him, so what do you want to explain from this? Then he said one more thing. He said, दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. What's the meaning, Sudhir? दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. What's the meaning? Okay. दृष्टि, फर्स्ट ही said सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है. शिखा समझ में आया? दुनिया है तो देख सकते हैं ना. दुनिया अगर सपोज आसमान में चांद है तो देख सकते हैं, सूरज है तो देख सकते हैं. सपोज मैं बोलता हूं आसमान में एमरल्ड है, एमरल्ड को देखा है, ग्रीन कलर मून को देखा है, कैसे देखेंगे? है ही नहीं तो कैसे देखेंगे? अगर है तो देख सकते हैं. तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग ही एक्सप्लेन्ड? सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है. देन ही सेड दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. व्हाट्स द मीनिंग? दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. दिस मीन्स suppose somebody is dreaming. What you're dreaming? You're dreaming that you're enjoying Domino's pizza. Huh? Not the small one, the big one. You're having Domino's pizza. And you're dreaming that you're taking a big Domino's pizza. Oh, amazing Domino's pizza. Now see here. तो दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है मीन्स इफ यू आर ड्रीमिंग कि डोमिनोज पिज्जा है कि नहीं है? कोमल, इफ यू आर ड्रीमिंग दैट देयर इज अ पिज्जा है कि पिज्जा नहीं है? जब तक ड्रीम है, टिल द ड्रीम इज देयर, द पिज्जा इज देयर. सपोज somebody tells you, now Sanjay Das, you're going to wake up from the dream, quickly put the dream pizza in the dream fridge. So you open the dream fridge and you put the dream pizza in the dream fridge and you close it and you get up from your sleep. Then is the pizza there? When you wake up, is the pizza there? Because दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है, which means जब तक वो दृष्टि है, जब तक वो ड्रीम है, जब तक वो दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. You understand the two? You understand the two? So he says, सृष्टि है तो दृष्टि है, दृष्टि है तो सृष्टि है. So he said, what do you know? What, therefore, now we understood. That man said, समझ में आया. क्या समझ में आया? हितकारी says, ये चेयर है तो मैं देख सकता हूं, because चेयर है. And similarly, Hema says, in my dream I saw I am in Switzerland. If in the dream you saw you're in Switzerland, means you're only in the dream. When you wake up and you tell Ashok, now let us go and have ice cream in Switzerland, he'll say we are in Bangalore. Because Srishti is over, Drishti also is over. But he says, we have to understand that we are not these two states. We are not even the Srishti, we are not even the Drishti. We are the Chitta. How he explains? He says, suppose this glass has got water. This glass has got water. If I move the glass, the water will move in the glass or the water will be there only? Water will move or not move? It will move. Because in the glass, there is water. Can you see water? Water is there, no? So if I move the glass, the water also will move. If the water does not move, then my pants will get wet. Water will fall on my pants. But suppose I drink the water. Now, there is air in the glass. If I move, will the air in the glass move or the air in the glass won't move? Will the air in the glass move or the air in the glass won't move? It will move. Sanjay Das, where it will move? Air is not in the glass, air is everywhere, no? So is air in the glass moving or glass in the air is moving? Is the air and is air in the glass is moving or glass in the air is moving? Huh, Mahesh, what is the right? Air is moving or glass is moving? Glass is moving, right? Because air is everywhere. We are that. We are the chit. The chit is everywhere. But we think what we think, that the Atma is inside us. We don't realize the Atma is on top of us. The Atma is inside us. The Atma is outside us. What we think that the soul is inside us. We don't realize that we are inside the soul. Sudeep, are you getting, Sudeep? Understanding or not understanding? Or you have questions? Ask questions. So please ask. So this is what we are. We are the Chit. Chit means we are the consciousness. We are not the drishti. We are not the srishti. Huh? We are the Chit. We are Turiyam, Chaturiyam. The first state of our life is called Jagrat, waking state. The second state is called Swapna. Swapna means the dreaming state. The third state is called Sushupti. Sushupti means deep sleep. That type, snoring. Huh? You'll have some partner sleeps. Some people, they tell their partner, go to sleep another room. Why? Because too much snoring. So, we are not the Srishti. We are not the Drishti. We are not the waker. We are not the dreamer. We are not even the sleeper. We are the observer. We are the witness. We are the witness consciousness. We are the observer of all the three states. So some people think there are 4 states of consciousness. There are no 4 states of consciousness. There is only one state of consciousness, that is called Turiyam. That is our reality. We are Turiyam. But unfortunately, we don't understand. So my dear friends, let us take up some questions and answers today. Let's, to summarize, in a nutshell, learn to discriminate. For example, some people, they are scared of death. Some people are living life of fear. अरे क्यों डरता है? सबको मरना है, मुझे भी मरना है, हाँ, सबको मरना है, लेकिन मैं नहीं मरता. Everybody dies. You know what everybody dies means? Ashok Nichani, what's the meaning? Everybody dies. You know? No, everybody dies is wrong. Krishna Sharma, what's the meaning? Everybody dies. It means every body dies. Not everybody dies. Every body dies. Only the body dies. But the one who is alive, the Chit is the divine. The Chit is energy. If we overcome ignorance, then there is liberation. There is nirvana. There is moksha. When we realize, ye sach ya wo sach, are we this or are we that? When we realize, then we reach a state of Sat Chit Anand. We reach a state of eternal bliss and everlasting peace. No fear, no worry. We have to realize that a disease is not my disease. The disease is only for the body. Sickness is, I am not sick. My body is sick. If you're having some financial problems, I don't have a financial problem. If you're having financial problem, in the drama of life, there is a financial problem. I don't have any problem. Because one day the drama will be over. So we have to treat everything like Leela, like a drama. If you realize everything is Leela, it's a drama, then there is no suffering of the body. There is no misery of the mind. There is no agony of the ego. But the problem is, we human beings, we are emotional beings. We create misery for ourselves. We do not use the intellect. Instead of using the intellect, we are only using the mind. Today, I found something very interesting. So I will tell you, very interesting. So human beings, what human beings say, You know, human being says, we are human beings. We are more intelligent than animals. Correct? Itkari, you agree? You don't agree? Huh? We are more intelligent than dog, cat, tiger, lion, or no? या हम भी गद्दे की तरह हैं? Donkey and us same or difference? Difference. Veena is saying strongly. Hitkar is not sure, but I'm joking. So the point is this. So somebody asked the human being, "Arey, what makes you more intelligent, man? Hello, what makes you more intelligent?" Then the human being says, "Because I stand on 2 legs. Animals stand on 4 legs. Correct? Mahesh, right or wrong? We stand on how many legs? 2 legs. Animals stand on how many legs? 4 legs. So when we stand, if you see a body, first comes head, then comes heart, then comes stomach, then comes reproductive organs. Correct? 4 layers. But an animal, if I become an animal, I'm like this. Now, head, heart, stomach, and sex organs are in one line. Correct or wrong? All 4 are in one line. So animals have no priority. Head is important. For a human being, supposedly intellect is more important. Use your intelligence. Second, thoda emotion. Thoda. Third, eat. Don't live to eat to live. And fourth, use your sexual organs for reproduction and for what God has meant it for. Some human beings, they go ulta. Some human beings, they go ulta. Ulta means full day for them. Sex is number 1 important. Second, full day they want to eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. Thoda third, if thoda time hai, to thoda emotions. Dimag to use hi nahi karte. Because we stand ulta. So now at least realize that if we want to be intelligent human beings, we should not be like animals standing on 4 legs. Will you remember this story? We should have head is up, intelligence first. Second, emotion. Third, kam khao, gum khao, kam khao. You must eat only what is needed. And don't be a slave of lust, because that will make you lose your spirituality. It's not that you're not supposed to use that gift, but use it appropriately. So my dear friends, we are going to answer questions very shortly. But remember, there is no Zoom call tomorrow. So don't come on Zoom and say, "Air kahan hai?" Then you say, "Tu chupi hai kahan?" No, there is no Zoom call tomorrow. Don't ask for Zoom. So Zoom call is only on Fridays. And next week, we are talking of the mystery of death, understanding death and beyond. So next week, we are going to talk on the mystery of death. Maut kya hai? Understanding death and beyond. So that is the session on next Friday. Remember again, there is no Zoom call on Saturdays. Zoom calls are only on Friday. I told you because our attention is going to a new project called the Air Institute of Realization is opening the Air Center of Enlightenment, ACE, Air Center of Enlightenment, where we are going to start Satchidanand Yoga, which means how to attain yoga, union, and enjoy the bliss of Sat Chit Anand. So more of that, you can contact me. I think my number has been flashed on the screen. But now it's time to answer questions. I think I've given you all enough session to realize this. From today onwards to close, please understand, discriminate. Ye sach, ya wo sach. What is black? What is white? What is wrong? What is right? What is the myth? What is the truth? Understand the difference. Srishti hai, to drishti hai. Drishti hai, to srishti hai. And remember the example. We are like the air in the glass. Air is not in the glass. Somebody got tricked. I think Sanjay, air is moving in the glass. Air is not moving in the glass. Glass is moving in the air. Will you remember the example? Krishna Sharma. You'll remember the example, Krishna Sharma? We are that consciousness that is available everywhere. We want this realization. This realization will create bliss. So now we are going to answer questions. So anybody wants any question, you may ask your questions and we are going to answer every single question. We have the time. Amitash Shukla. I'm facing a lot of difficulty even after a lot of efforts to implement teachings, wisdom in daily life. Even though I'm conscious every second, what is going wrong? How I can fix it? Amitash Shukla. What is going wrong? I can tell you from now itself. There are only options. Option one, your mind. The mind is like a monkey. It jumps from thought to thought. Option two, your senses. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. 5 senses. And third, the ego. The ego that says, hey, man, the ego says that. The big problem in life is what? If it's not the senses, if it's not the mind, it is ego. Hey, the baap ka hai kya? Kya samajh tera baap ka hai? This is how sometimes I used to behave 20 years back. Now I realize kya main kya hai? Main. If you say main, you become only main. If you say main, don't say main. Huh? So ye ego hai na, the ego is a big problem. So we have to go beyond the ego. So dear Amitash Shukla, the problem can be either with the senses, either with the mind, or with the ego. Find out what is the problem and message me on my personal number 98451 55555. I'm sure it's a personal problem. You don't want to share it here, but we can discuss it together after the call is over. My WhatsApp number is available to you all. I come online every morning without fail and answer all questions. And then if there is need, then I ask you all to contact me at other times on some other number, depending, because I don't have any number. A lot of people carry different numbers. Next question, Surinder Goyal. We are having 3 Sarira. Sthul, not Sathul, Thul Sharir, Sukshma Sharir, Karan Sharir. And as per study, their Atma consciousness. How to connect the spiritual life with worldly life. Dr. Surinder Goyal. When we realize that this full sharir is only an external body, and we realize the sukshma sharir is only an illusion, then we become the karan sharir or the causal body. We become the atma. Now, your question, how do we connect the spiritual life with the worldly life? You don't have to connect the spiritual life with the worldly life. You have to realize that you are the divine spirit. You are the Atma. You are the Atma, but the Atma needs the Sthul Sharir and the Sukshma Sharir to live. Without the body and the mind, the Atma cannot live. How can the Atma live? The Atma needs it. That is the answer to your question. So, dear Surinder Goyal, you have to understand that you must be like a lotus, Kamal ka phool. कमल का फूल गंदे झील में है, गंदे पानी में है, लेकिन वो गंदा नहीं होता. Surinder Goyal, we have to be like a kamal ka phool. Even though the world around us is dirty, even though the water around us is dirty, we should not sink in that dirty water. How should we be? We should be like a boat. बोट को लक्ष्य पहुंचने के लिए, for the boat to reach destination, it needs the water, but it need not sink in the water. Correct, Chandresh? वो boat must be on the water. और पानी के ऊपर जाके the boat must go on top of the water and reach the destination. So the spirit, the Atma, should be in the body and with the mind and body, but the Atma should not get immersed in the cravings of the body and the wandering of the mind. So that is the answer. I hope, Surinder Goyal, I don't see you online, but you are online, but I don't see your face. Prabhakar, does law of karma apply to all living creatures or others are sufferer only? Because how can a cat do good karma? Surinder, Prabhakar, cat cannot do karma. Cat can only do meow, meow. Cat दूध पी सकती है और meow, meow करती है. You are born as a cat or a dog and you experience karma. So suppose, Prabhakar, I'll give you an example. Suppose you behave like a dog in this world. Dog, matlab, how they say in life, hey, kutte jaisa aadmi hai. You know that what it means? Kya hai wo aadmi? Insaan hai, kutta hai. I'm giving an example, don't take personally. So the point is, if we don't live like an insan, but we live like a kutta, then we'll be born how? Next janam will be born as a insan or kutta? Kutta. The kutta doesn't do karma. The kutta experiences, just like you see dog is roaming here and there, dirty, no food to eat, it is sick. It only experiences the karma. Who experiences? The me, the mind and the ego. And when the karma is over, it dies. And again, it is born as per the Sanchita karma. Sanchita karma is the corpus, is the warehouse of karma. So sometimes a man like Hitler, he has done so much crime, he has to be born 100 times like a dog, as a cockroach, as a lizard. Then only he will be out of it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But the cat does not do any karma. The dog does not do any karma. It only experiences the karma it has done before, when it was a human being. The next question from Krishna Sarma. Krishna Sarma says, whether Papa and Punya are real or psychological myths. Pap and Punya are real, very real. How can you say, Krishna Sharma, how can you say psychological myth? Suppose I come, you're sitting and watching Zoom call. You're listening quietly or listening to air like this. I come to your room and I give you 50 slaps on your face. It is Papa or not Papa? Simply I come and slap you. Of course it is Papa, no? Because what business I have? Krishna Sarma, quietly, decent man, he's watching Zoom call, yes such, ya wo such. Some neighbor comes and says, hey, you fool, Krishna Sarma, what you're watching? Air nonsense, man. You nonsense fellow. Fada, hits you. It is Papa, it's not Papa. It is Papa. How can it be psychological? It's not psychological. It is real. It is in the Leela. Everything in the total system, it is a Leela. But where that drama is concerned, in the drama, it is real. So also Punya. Suppose Krishna Sarma, after Zoom call is over, you take bread and milk and you go outside and so many dogs and cats are on the street. You go and you say, Shivoham, Shivoham, and you feed the dog and you feed the cat because each of them is God. Shiva Gyani Jana Seva. Jo Jana kisi ki seva karta hai, wo Shiv ki puja karta hai. Correct, Krishna Sarma, you understand? That is Punya or that is not Punya? It is Punya, right? Somebody else will not go and feed the dog. Somebody else will go to the bar and have triple X, 30 ml or 60 ml. Blang. Then I don't drink. I don't know. I am just, don't think I'm expert in this. So, Punya and Pap is reality, but you have to understand it in the total sense. It's not psychological. But again, Krishna Sharma, before I close the subject, when you realize the truth, that you are not Krishna Sharma, but you are the Atma, then there is no Pap and Punya. After realization, there is no Pap Punya. Why? Because you come to know, I am nothing. You come to know, I am nothing. God is everything. When you come to know that, then you are liberated from Papa and Punya. Ashok Chotwani. With consciousness, can we realize the truth? My dear Ashok Chotwani, when you become consciousness, you have already realized the truth. When you realize the truth, you become consciousness. When you become consciousness, you have realized the truth. What is it, Ashok Chotwani, to be consciousness? To be consciousness means that you realize the truth. What do you realize? Na ye sach, na wo sach. Na ye sach, na wo sach. Na ye sach, na wo sach. बस प्रभु ही एक सत्य है, संसार तो है माया. ना ये सच ना वो सच. So Ashok Chotwani, when you realize na ye sach na wo sach, when you realize that, then you realize I am not Srishti Dishti, no, Drishti Shishti, no, I am the air in the glass. I am everywhere. I am not just the air in the glass. I am the air in the glass, above the glass, below the glass, around the glass, and everywhere. So this is the answer to your question. I hope you are able to understand. So we are going on to the next question. Sudeep Bhargava, with the analogy of a movie theater, is the chitta, the canvas or the light that falls on the canvas? With the analogy of a movie theater. In the movie theater, the canvas is the Jagat. Correct? On the Jagat, the projector projects the images. The projector is the Maya. So the Jagat is the canvas, and the camera is projecting the Maya. What is the Chitta? It is the power that is giving life to the canvas, the life to the camera. If there was no power to the camera, would the camera be able to project the images? Without current, would the camera be able to project? No. So what is Chitta? Chitta is consciousness. Chitta is awareness. So the analogy of a movie, you gave me that analogy, I have to give you only the answer based on that analogy. But please understand, in the analogy of the station master, the witness, the observer, please analyze this in the analogy of the baby tiger. I am that. Analyze in the analogy of waker, dreamer, sleeper, chaturya. I am the one that is watching the Jagrat, the Swapna, and the Sushupti. I experience these three states. I am Turiyam. I am Chaturyam. I am that. I am that state of consciousness. All right? So you gave an example. I have to answer you on the limited to that analogy of the movie theater. Movie theater is Leela. The whole movie theater itself is a Leela. Correct? In the Leela, what is real? If you ask me in the real Leela, then nothing is real. Everything is a projection. Comment from Kishan, the word itself says everybody dies. Correct. So good, you understand that. No, everybody dies. But we use the term everybody. Everybody go out. Everybody go. We don't say everybody go. We say everybody go. But when you break up that everybody, then you understand the difference between everybody dies is different and everybody dies is different. Only the body dies. My dear Kishan, Shivoham. Ambika, please give more details for Satchidananda Yoga program by the Institute. We are still, therefore, we are working hard to start a program. Okay, just to tell you for the moment, we plan to have 5 steps. 5 steps in Satchidananda Yoga. The first step we are planning is called Neti Neti. The basic step, understanding I am not the body and mind. The second step is called Tat Tvamasi. I am the divine soul. The third step is called Sat Darshana, realization of the truth. The fourth step is called Jivan Mukti, that is liberation. And the fifth is called Moksha, enlightenment, Nirvana. So we are planning 5 layers in Satchidananda Yoga. So we are trying to use these 5 steps to help people reach that ultimate goal of life. But it is still in the planning stage, Ambika. So it's not taken off the ground. You have some more questions? So I have just 1 or 2 more questions, and then if there's somebody who wants to ask something, otherwise we will close. Shikha Singh, if our gross body is hardware, subtle body is software, we are soul. Why software or subtle body come again and again? Good question. Shikha, because of ignorance, because of ghor avidya, the body is hardware. You understand that very clearly. Body will die. My body will die. Your body will die. Every body will die. But because I think main hu. Suppose you think I am Shikha Singh. तो वो क्या है? Ego है. Ego. The ego becomes ME, mind and ego. ये mind and ego कर्म करता है. जब हम कर्म करते हैं, तो अगर कर्म करते हैं तो उसका फल मिलना ही है, तो उसका फल मिलना है तो पुनर्जन्म लेना ही है. So that is the cycle. So your question is why software has to come again and again because of the pending karma. Answer in one line is only one simple answer. Simple, not simple. Chandresh, are you clear about what I'm saying? पुनर्जन्म क्यों होता है? इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हमारा कर्म है. अगर हमारा कर्म नहीं है तो, अगर कर्म नहीं है तो मुक्ति, मुक्ति. लेकिन कर्म होगा ही, होते ही रहेगा कर्म. जो भी जिंदा है, everybody who's alive creates कर्म. Until you realize I am not Shikha, until you realize I am the Atma, Shikha says ये मेरा कर्म नहीं है, वो हम, ये मेरा कर्म. What does Krishna say in the, what does Krishna tell Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita? You please find out. You know you are expert in Bhagavad Gita ना? You said you have, आप आपके ग्रुप में भगवत गीता का चैंपियन है. पूछिए कि भगवत गीता में कृष्ण क्या कहता है. कृष्ण कहता है, हे अर्जुन, जो भी करते हो तुम अर्पण करो. कृष्ण अर्पणम. करेक्ट? एम आई राइट और एम आई रॉन्ग? तो वॉट एवर यू डू कृष्ण अर्पणम. उसका मतलब अगर हम वी बिकम द इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ गॉड, अगर हम मन और अहंकार को पार करते हैं, इफ वी आर एबल टू ट्रांसेंड बॉडी, माइंड एंड ईगो, then there is no rebirth, then we are liberated, we become free. So that is the answer. So we have another question from Chandresh. Please explain the importance of silence. Oh, silence is very important. Chandresh, silence में ही चित्त का एहसास होता है. और साइलेंस का मतलब ये है आंख बंद. अगर आंख खुली है, हाँ, जिंग जिंग जिंग, साइलेंस नहीं होता. इवन इफ यू आर साइलेंट इट डजंट वर्क. सो आंख बंद, कान बंद मतलब साइलेंट, रूम क्लोज्ड, नाक बंद. डोंट हैव आंख बंद, कान बंद एंड नाक में पाव भाजी का स्मेल. नहीं, डजंट वर्क. अगर पाव भाजी का मसाला आएगा तो सब. साइलेंस मीन्स इंद्रिय, पूरे इंद्रियों को शांत और मन को शांत. इन दैट स्टेट वी एक्सपीरियंस चित्त, वी एक्सपीरियंस कॉन्शियसनेस. फिर भी द माइंड इज अ मंकी. द माइंड विल जंप. And Chandresh, you will think that Swami in Rishikesh told like this, but air is telling like this. Now what is right? Air is telling right or Swami is telling right? तो ये है माइंड. हाँ, तो अगर माइंड बोलते हैं, then you will say, लेकिन भगवत गीता में ऐसे है, उपनिषद में ऐसे है, तो क्या सही है? इस्कॉन वाले बोलते हैं कि ओनली कृष्णा कैन गिव लिबरेशन, लेकिन उपनिषद बोलता है ऐसा है. तो ये शांत, इज दिस साइलेंस? इज दिस कॉल्ड साइलेंस? नो, दिस इज नॉट कॉल्ड साइलेंस. साइलेंस का मतलब क्या है? कंप्लीट साइलेंस, कंप्लीट शांत, कंप्लीट शांत. देन यू फील द कॉन्शियसनेस. देखिए ये इजी बात, ये सरल बात नहीं है. डोंट थिंक दिस इज इजी, बिकॉज हमारा जो मन है बंदर है. माइंड इज अ मंकी. ये माइंड को, जब तक हम माइंड को शांत ना करें, इट विल स्टील आवर पीस ऑफ माइंड. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज नो पीस. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर इन पीसेस, बिकॉज द माइंड इज कॉन्स्टेंटली जंपिंग एंड जंपिंग एंड जंपिंग. सो वी हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई थिंक before we close, because one or two more questions. Gautam, yesterday I went to one of my friend's marriage and he separated crores of money he spent crores of money in his marriage. So what was his life before he was living past life? He's so rich. Any example? Arey, my dear Gautam, what is this rich? Crores of money, what is the use? He spent so many crores of money to impress the people, correct? What will happen with that? Look at the end of people who have got millions and billions. End में क्या होता है? End में तो सब छोड़ के जाना पड़ता है. This is in the end, it's a game of monopoly. Monopoly खेला है कभी गौतम? Have you played Monopoly? नहीं खेला है. You go tomorrow to toy shop and you buy Monopoly and you play. Then everybody is fighting. This is my hotel, Mayfair, Piccadilly. This is my hotel, that is my hotel. We cheat, we fight, we rob, we cheat the government, we cheat our suppliers, we cheat everybody to earn money. And Gautam, only to leave it behind. You do one thing, Gautam. How many crores your friend has? 100 crores, more than 100 crores, or less, not 100 crores? How many crores your friend has? Tell me in single, 100, 200, show me in your finger. 100 or 200 or 300 crores, 100 crores. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you 200 crores. You come to me tomorrow, I'm telling in front of everybody. Gautam, tomorrow I will give you 200 crores. The condition is only one thing, that after I die, you must give me 1 crore back. I'll give you 200 crores tomorrow morning. But after I die, you have to give me 1 crore. You come and explain to me tomorrow morning. If you can do it, tomorrow I will transfer 200 crore to your account. But you must show me how after I die, you will give me only 1 crore. 199 crores you only keep. But 1 crore after I die, you have to give me back. If you can give me back, tomorrow morning you come to my office, you know my office, I will give 200 crores to you tomorrow. You're laughing. So you know the answer, right? This money is of no use. Don't get carried away by material gains. This doesn't give peace of mind. People who are rich in money, they are not happy. They are not rich in happiness. They are suffering. They are living miserable lives. So I think the last question from Arun. What is meant by spirituality? How to regulate our mind? Spirituality is the opposite of material life. We are living in a material world. Like just now, Gautam said, my friend has many crores, many crores. Some people have CRORES and some people have CROWS. Some people have crores and some people have crores. But the final thing is, whatever you have, crores or crores, nothing belongs to you. Realize this. Does anything belong to us? Answer your question. Please answer my question. Does anything belong to us? Whatever we have, does it belong to us? I told you last time story of Sufi master. One man came from far away. He went to a Sufi master. Bisham. See if the story, if you understand this story. One man came from far away. And when he came to the master, he saw in the room, he saw the room is empty. He saw the room empty. Not like this room. You can see, so many sofa, pillow. This man, Sudeep, have I told this story? Sufi master? No, you don't remember. So this man came to a Sufi master, and then he asked the Sufi master, very surprising. He asked the Sufi master, my lord, आपके रूम तो आपका रूम खाली है, एक छोटा पलंग है, एक किताब है, एक पेन है, आपका रूम खाली है. Your room is completely empty. Where is the furniture? वो पूछता है, where is the furniture? So the Sufi master, he asks the Musafir, hello, you come to meet me, where is your furniture? He asked the traveler who came to meet him, where is your furniture? That man said, no, I am just a Musafir, I am just a traveler. I came to meet you and I'm going to go. Why should I bring my furniture? So he told, I am just a traveler, Musafir. The Sufi master told, I am also Musafir. I am also a traveler. So I also don't have any furniture. We human beings, we keep on adding. What do? We keep on collecting in our house. What? 10 pants, 20 pants, 30 pants, 4 blue, 4 green, 4 red. I know, I don't know, Hitkari will tell us or not. I know somebody who does, they have their designer turbans. देखा है आपने हितकारी जी? Louis Vuitton का turban है. They say one of the biggest business in Sardars, they wear turbans in Canada. They buy from all brands. Louis Vuitton turban with all diamonds. अरे क्या करेंगे? So this is called samsaric. So Arun, the spirituality is leaving the material world and realizing we are the divine spirit. We are not this body that we appear to be. We are the divine spirit. Last question, Komal. Are we going to practice silence in the Enlightenment Center? Yes, we will practice silence. Once the Enlightenment Center comes, right now you're already talking of the Enlightenment Center, just like it is already there, Komal. Enlightenment Center is right now Drishti Srishti. It is there in the Drishti, therefore it is in the Shrishti. When it becomes Srishti, Drishti, then we will talk about it. My dear friends, thank you for being on this call. Next week, the call is the mystery of death, understanding death and beyond, how to cope with death. Hitkariji, Shivoham, thank you for being on this call. Sudeep, Bhargava, Veena, thank you for coming on this call. Hema and Ashok, Krishna Sarma, Sagai Raj, Anand, Sanjay Das, Mr. Bisham, Mahesh Ratnani, Girish and Amma. Thank you for being on this call today. I look forward. Kavita Punjabi, Shikha Singh, Lakshmi, Komal. Thank you for being on this call. Gautam, Chandresh, Ambika. The rest of you, I can't see your pretty faces. So thank you all of you for being on the call. I appreciate your giving me your divine blessings by coming on this call. Look forward to seeing you next week on Fridays, every Friday, not Saturday, 7 to 8. And we will talk on the mystery of death. मौत का रहस्य क्या है? शिवोहम and God bless.